The former Digicel Rising Star winner and 2018 X Factor winner Dalton Harris is now a father. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Former X Factor 2018 winner Dalton Harris shared an update on his Instagram page on Sunday where he announced that he is actually now a father of a daughter. "I'm trying to focus on being a great father to my daughter, a supportive friend, brother, son, and building a better relationship with myself," he stated. He also addressed rumors that he has been dropped by his record label, which he unnamed in the post. "I am no longer with that label. I will remain independent as long as I feel it is right. I will not release music to chase momentum or popularity. And no, I was not dropped, so please do not turn this into something that it isn't. You beautiful YouTube blog folks, good vibes to you as well," he wrote. When Harris won X Factor in 2018, he landed a record deal with Simon Cowell's record label, Synco Music. Since 2011, it's believed the winner of the competition received an initial advance of £150,000 for their first album. If they continue to impress, the advance rises to £237,000 for a second album. Acts can expect around £315,000 for a third album and something in the range of $400,000 for a fourth album. Harris recordings The Power of Love, Girl Like You, and Cry all peaked in number 10 in the iTunes charts. He recorded over 100 songs, but the pandemic caused the industry to shut down and Cowell's label to suffer a loss before shuttering its door. The X Factor show aired in 2018 when Harris was crowned the winner. However, the international competition was not Harris' first talent show win, as at the age of 16, he won the Digicel Rising Star in 2012. Following his victory, he went on to release 3 albums prior to his appearance on the X Factor. After his famous victory, the singer also came out as pansexual on social media in 2020, opening up about his sexuality and struggles with mental health. The star has since shared his gratitude for the supportive fans, revealing that the term pansexual has been searched a record number of times in his home country of Jamaica. He is now an advocate of the LGBTQIA rights. In the meantime, Harris appears to be maintaining a good relationship with his mother, Sylvia Campbell, with whom he once had a rocky relationship with. The loving mother-son bond was mended 2 years ago, bringing to an end to a feud that started after both individuals had relayed personal details of their rocky relationship to social media back in 2018. He closed the statement by urging his followers to keep the vibration high and appreciate their inner beauty. "I appreciate and love you more than words will ever express. Big love," he stated in a post on his social media account. So congratulations has been pouring in online based on the post made by Dalton Harris, the former X Factor winner and 2012 Digicel Rising Star winner, who has created a name for himself in the music space. You can just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this story. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.